Hi everyone, here you see that the provider is Gemini Coder and the model is Gemini 2.0 and also the other models. And here you see that the provider is Hyperbolic Coder and the model is Deepseek V3. So you can use this for free. Okay. And not only this Deepseek V3, also you will get Coin 2.5 Meta Llama model also. And also here you see that in this provider you can select any kind of provider like OpenAI and this Coin and this Crew AI, Gork. Okay, so any kind of provider that is available in the market you can select and generate the code. Okay, so first let me show you this Gemini. I will use this Gemini 2.0 Flash Experimental because it is best for generating the code. Okay, and I asked ChatGPT to give some app ideas, so it gave me 10 ideas. So let me select one of the ideas, like this is this one, like personal journal app. So let me copy this and let me go here. Okay, and paste it here. Okay, so this is the area where you have to paste. Now click on this generate. Now it will generate the code for you guys. So the link is given in the description box, you can check there. So here you can see that it is writing the HTML code, and here you see it is writing the CSS. So it will write all of this code, and here you see that within a second the app got generated, and you see the UI is looking very impressive on the first try. Okay, so let me test this app. Now here in this text area, let me write this our channel name, AI Egypt. Okay, and enter tags I can give this subscribe. Okay, and also I can encrypt this. Okay, and click on this add entry, and here you see that I got some entry, and this is search option also. So if I do any search, it will be also possible, I think. So H and click on this search. Now if I remove this and click on this search, and here you see that search functionality is also working. Okay, now if you want to do some modification in this app, then you can do that also. Okay, and the same way you can do the same thing. If I copy this and go to this DeepSeek V3 and paste this prompt and click on this generate, and within a second it will also do the code generation. Okay, so previously also I talked about this DeepSeek artifacts and also this bolt.diy and this also Gemini coder. So this was on another Gemini coder. Okay, you can watch this video also, and also you can use this client plus DeepSeek V3 if you want to use it inside your ID, that means VS Code. Okay, but sometimes what happens that many people reported that they are not finding this V3 as a free. So for them you can use this DeepSeek V3 uh, from this hyperbolic coder. Okay, so I think this video is helpful for you guys. If you want to get this type of videos more, don't forget to subscribe this channel, and don't forget to like this video also if you found helpful. So see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.